everybody, welcome to RecipeCheckr, your cooking channel for restaurant style, real and workable recipes. I am Sunder. In today's menu, I have one of the best sellers of snacks in the restaurants, the Medhu Bonda. Usually when you taste Medhu Bonda, the characters of the perfect Medhu Bonda is always very crispy and crunchy outside and very soft inside, though it's made with the same dough. How they achieve that consistency? That's what I'm going to show you today. Stay tuned. The total preparation time for making Medhu Bonda or the soft Bonda is about 30 minutes. The preparation I'm going to do is a kind of a creaming method. So I'm using vanaspati and just using a bowl. Preferably you take a flat base bowl or a tray or a plate. You have to really nicely cream it and fluffy and adding a little more the cooking soda. So that particular creaming process, it makes a whole lot of difference. So then you adding the other ingredients and finally the flour. So I've taken a flat paste bowl. So that is highly preferred. Very soft and fluffy. Just try to put your fingers down as much as possible so that you can just keep doing it. And it will be really, really fluffy. It will be creamy white and fluffy in color after a few minutes. Once it's cream a bit, I'm going to add some cooking soda, half a teaspoon. And just keep doing it. Now you see that it's very creamy and white in color. And I've been doing it for about 3 minutes now. At this stage, I'm going to add the required salt, about half a spoon. So this is almost ready now, the creaming process. I'm going to add now, starting with onion, ginger, green chilies, curry leaf, some coriander. Now once it's mixed well, I'm going to add the basin flour. Now because of the moisture already there, it will become a crumble consistency. Once it's mixed well, add a little bit salt, probably a few pinches. Then I'm going to sprinkle some water and make this as a dough. You can see this tight consistency is perfect. Now this dough is rested for about 20 minutes now. Now I made the even size balls. Now I'm going to deep fry it in a medium hot oil. I'm going to gently drop the balls into the hot oil, medium hot oil. It's very important that you need to maintain the right temperature because we want the outer portion of the bonda or the dumpling should be very crispy, and then inner side we want very soft. So we want to make sure that we allow enough time for the oil to cook the inner side of the dough. So this is ready now, perfect. Now the nice color, and I can feel the crispiness outside. So I'm going to remove this and your Medhu Bonda is ready. Hope you enjoy the video today. So I really want you to try this recipe at home. Look forward to hear your comments. Please do share with your friends and then subscribe our channel if you haven't done that before. Look forward to see you with another recipe soon. Take care.